In this case, our customer wants to print some general leather, like this. You see, it has two sides, and customer wants to print on this side. So I will show you how actually to manage the placing of the leather on the mounting tray. Apply extra power to place the frame on his place. In this case, when we using leather, it's not trivial. So you have to be sure that the frame placed on a proper place, and the way to ensure it's actually understand that the frame is under the highest position of the fabric itself. The stretchiness of the fabric, it's actually not easy to do, but it's possible. You see, I apply a lot of power to stretch every corner. In case of leather, which is hard material and thick material, maybe you will need to cut some of the leftovers after the stretching, in order to make it. Before you start to calibrate, you have to be sure that everything is mounting okay and no leftovers over the frame.